Turning your Power BI dashboard from your portrait view to your landscape view just got more easier. In 1 minute, I'm going to be demonstrating how you can do this swiftly without no hassle. So currently, this is my landscape view and this is the portrait version of this Power BI dashboard. So as you can see, this is actually an interactive dashboard with a whole lot of interactiveness. You can see that if you click on channel manager, we can see what our channel managers has done depending on which of the rows. So all you need to do is highlight everything and then go to your format page, reports, and then canvas setting. All I need to do currently is still on the default page. I want to custom this, so copy the whole thing in the width and then paste it on the height. So just paste it on the height and voila, you have your Power BI dashboard in your portrait view. And this is just as easy as anything. So like, subscribe, and follow me for more videos. Thank you.